Well, we're in the backyard, and today I'm gonna try Martha Stewart's spray paint. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Click that link because you're not gonna want to miss it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, for those of you who haven't been, haunting this channel for a really, really long time, then you don't know that when I find stuff that's new, I gotta try it. So I was at Menards and I was sneaking through the paint section, and they had a whole display of Martha Stewart spray paint, which is paint and primer in one. So I have got a little project that I forgot to bring out with me. I forgot to bring it. I'm gonna have to go in and get it. That I'm gonna set up on the sawhorses, and we are gonna try Martha's paint. So this is Wedding Cake in satin. Kind of an off-white, and I'm going to spray paint in a little jewelry box. It's going to become a Christmas decoration. Okay, here it is. So I used a little JB weld, and I welded the lid open, so it's going to get filled with little bio brush trees and stuff, but it has seen better days. So we are going to give it a coat of white paint with Martha's paint. So let me get set up where you're safe, and we're going to spray paint. Okay, first of all, I really like the spray nozzle. So good job, Martha. It's got a comfort spray nozzle. I like that. Okay, it came out really fast, and I'm a little worried about drips because a lot of it came out. Can you see how much it covered? I'm not seeing any drips. It just looks like it. I don't know. It came out super fast, and like a lot of it at once. It's not like another spray paint that I've ever used, any other spray paint that I've ever used. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute before I try and hit it again. This side has to be covered because of the way the wind was blowing. This side will have to be hit again for sure. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and dry now. It covered okay. It's like I said, it comes out really fast, and it covers really good. So that's excellent, Martha. We love that. We love that it covers right away. The only time you saw me hit it a second time was where, because of the wind and the angle of the pattern on the piece, it wasn't getting in a little groove. So it covered one coat beautifully on this gold piece. So love that. I just now have to wait for it to dry. Okay guys, so I'm in the sheet shop. It's been a couple days and the paint is dry, but it didn't take a couple days for it to dry. Okay, first, a few observations about the Martha Stewart paint. It doesn't smell like regular latex paint. I did a little research online and I found out that they're the ones that do the Tesser paints. So they've got their own spray paint brand, and that brand, and I don't know, it's probably the same, uses a non-toxic sugar-based aerosol. So I don't know if that's why this smells so different. I would guess it is, but it dried super fast. Like within minutes it was dry, or almost dry. So this is one coat of the Martha Stewart white spray paint. I didn't really do the bottom very well because it's going to sit on the bottom. It's a waste of paint. I'm going to do a Christmas vignette in this, and I'm probably going to do a glaze inside the detail here, or a dark wax of some kind. So I didn't go over it with a second coat, but oh my gosh, the one coat is amazing. I mean, if I did a second coat on this, yeah, it would be covered. And it covered the black. So I had used JB Weld, so a cold weld, to keep this lid up like this, and it was black. And I was wondering if it would cover that, and it covered it really well. So you saw it came out super fast, but it works great. I'm quite pleased. I can't wait to try her silver one. I've got some pine cones that I'm going to be hopefully getting around to spraying up. I spray these and resell them. And I want to use her silver on them because I have a problem with like a lot of the metallics aren't actually silver. So I'm looking forward to it. Good job, Martha. I think it doesn't even smell like it's not off-gassing still. And we're not that far from it. Like normal spray paint, several days later, it's still off-gassing. Nope. Doesn't stink at all. It does when you're spraying it. There's a distinct smell. But now, like days later, I'm not smelling anything. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet gotten one of your Happy Junkin' shirts, don't forget to click the link below. Get yours today. It supports me, supports this channel, and I appreciate it. For everybody who's already gotten their shirts, if you want to send me a Thrift Flip challenge, which maybe we can use some Martha Stewart spray paint on it, you can send it to the P.O. Box. The address is also in the description below. And if you'd like to send me a coffee, you can do that as well. It's like Patreon without the monthly commitment, and all that money goes directly back into the channel so I can make better content for you guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin' videos.